pleasure to welcome you to our Senior School Colours and Awards Assembly. Today we will recognise a number of students for their commendable commitment to our co-curricular program. A number will also be recognised for their dedication to their academic learning. I'd now like to hand over to Mrs Birmingham, who will make the announcements for the debating awards. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. It gives me great pleasure to be able to present these debating colours and half colours to the following deserving debaters in 2020. These girls have committed many hours to preparing for debates, to debating, supporting their team members while debating, and mentoring and supporting other teams learning how to debate. Achieving debating full colours in Year 12, Georgia Asling, Jessica Elphick, Emily Ferdinands, Xingtong Huang. Achieving debating half colours in Year 11, Vanessa Agahi, Irene Danny, Sasuni Hiramutagoda, Keshavi Pereira, Annika Raj, Sanya Verma. Achieving debating half colours in Year 10, Nilma Nanayakara, Isabel Vasiliou, Emily Wang. Once again, congratulations to all these girls who've achieved their debating colours and half colours. Thank you.
Good morning and welcome to the Colours and Awards Assembly for 2020. It's my great pleasure to present the following students with music and drama half colours for their contribution this year and late last year to the music and drama program. For music half colours, congratulations to Claudia Eibel. For drama half colours, congratulations to the following girls: Poppy Elphick, Lucy Kent, Nayo Inskip, Tiara Senanayaka, Naomi Drago and Tyler Hill. Congratulations girls on this fantastic achievement. Well done.
It gives me great pleasure to award sports colours for Semester 1. Whilst our season of Term 2 sport was significantly compromised, it's appropriate to reward and celebrate our student athletes upon what they've achieved this year and in previous seasons of sport at St Margaret's School. I'd like to take the opportunity to thank our sports captain, Jessica Day, for the work she, Tara Matheson, Amy Herbert and Georgia Asling have done in putting together their colourful and inspiring sports newsletters. And to our sports staff and student leaders who together have provided challenges and ideas which have helped keep us active and healthy over the past number of weeks. Sports colours. The following girls have consistently displayed dedication to training and competition and tremendous sportsmanship. These students have demonstrated leadership within their teams, assisted in the development of other players, and each demonstrate a high level of skill in their specific sport. Congratulations to the following girls upon achieving sports half colours. For swimming, congratulations Tara Matheson, Meher Ali, Michaela Batten, Ashley Duho, Adele Hanley, Brianna Munns and Shay O'Connell. For hockey, Olivia Dowling and Iman Zafar. For softball, Sophie Castricum and Leah O'Sullivan. Half colours for tennis, congratulations Tiana Lianagay, Nalisha Pereira, Sanya Verma, Maggie Wong, Lauren Clark and Talisha Giolans. For cross country, Yevon Yang. Receiving half colours in both diving and tennis, Grace Quinn. Half colours for hockey and tennis, Alicia Causey. And receiving half colours for swimming, cross country and tennis, congratulations Claudia Eibel. Congratulations to each of the sports half colours recipients. And now for sports colours. For swimming, congratulations Romany Morgan and Priya Walker. For diving, sports colours are awarded to Talia Lane and Tara Matheson. For softball, Ida Golke, Amy Herbert and Iman Zafar. Colours for tennis, congratulations Bridie Bursell. And for cross country, Elizabeth Day, Amy Herbert, and Georgia Asling. Congratulations, this is a fantastic achievement from each of these dedicated and talented young sportswomen. HPV and cycling colours are awarded to students who have participated in the program for an extended period of time, have demonstrated various leadership qualities, and have performed at an elite level, all whilst maintaining the values, mission, and vision of the program. HPV and cycling colours are awarded to Elisa Johnson, Claire McCurdy, and Phoebe Thompson. Congratulations to all of these girls upon your commitment to your sport and your school. We're incredibly proud of all of you. Thank you.
Good morning, staff, students and parents. It's my honour to present Academic Excellence Awards to Year 7, 8 and 9 students for Semester 1, 2020. To receive an Academic Excellence Award, these students have to achieve an A or an A+ grade average in at least 6 subjects throughout the semester. So I congratulate all of the following students for their achievements. Year 7 Academic Excellence: Sophie Arnott, Sophie Barrett, Bridie Craig, Tiana May Jukic, Stephanie Eibel, Amber Flanders, Kiara Gunasekara, Madison Hogan, Quiva Kalamanathan, Mai Ko, Himaya Rajakaruna, Saya Segal, Tenuri Vikramanayaka. Year 8 Academic Excellence: Claire Anderson, Karen Atia, Rusandi Botheju, Amelia Claritza, Rossini Kulasekera, Muyu Lee, Chloe Liu, Kavya Senthilkumar, Ananya Srahari. Year 9 Academic Excellence: Barira Ahmed, Michelle Benny, Sanara Chandrasiri, Rachel Chen, Ruby Hollingsworth, Ella McKay, Sarah O'Connor, Casey Salpadoro, Hasini Sirawadana, Caitlin Van Ness, Rajsi Verma, Annabelle Wu, and Michelle Zhang.
Good morning, St Margaret's Senior School students, parents and staff. It is my pleasure this morning to present certificates of academic excellence to students in years 10 and 11. Year 12 students are not awarded certificates of excellence. Rather, they are eligible for individual subject prizes at the end of the year. To be eligible for a certificate of excellence in year 10, students must receive an overall subject grade of an A or an A+ in a minimum of 6 subjects, in addition to demonstrating excellent learning behaviours. To be eligible in year 11, students must receive that overall subject grade of A or A+ in a minimum of 4 subjects, in addition to excellent learning behaviours. The following students have worked consistently throughout Semester 1 to achieve exceptional academic results and demonstrated excellent learning behaviours. It gives me great pleasure to present the Year 10 recipients of Certificates of Excellence. Janudi Amarasinghe, Alicia Causey, Jemima Effenkambi, Claudia Eibel, Lucy Kent, Kiara McConkey, Brianna Munns, Shara Shamoon, Lucy Zong, The Year 11 recipients: Vanessa Agahi, Irene Danny, Olivia Dowling, Natalie Yu, Shania Gamagay, Priyanka Gangasuthan, Megan Hansen, Hannah Harding, Sasuni Hiramuthagoda, Emma McDonald, Kishavi Pereira, Tarushi Rajapaksa, Anika Raj, Madeline Saunders, Ying Sim, Thiara Sinha Senanayaka, Catherine Tossin, Sanya Verma, Maggie Wong, and Aman Zafar. Congratulations to all the Year 10 and 11 recipients of academic excellence. To achieve academic half colours, students must receive a Certificate of Excellence on 4 occasions. To achieve academic colours, a student must receive a Certificate of Excellence on 6 occasions, 2 of which must be in Year 10 or 11. Congratulations to the following students who have achieved academic half colours: Hannah Harding, Kishavi Pereira, Tarushi Rajapaksa, Ying Sim, Catherine Tossin, Maggie Wong, and Aman Zafar. An amazing effort to your academic studies. Well done. Thank you, Senior School.